then dip me underway. You can fill my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Big ass, I get that big ass.
Hey Queens and Kings, it has been a minute since I picked up this phone. Can't say camera because I ain't got there yet. Can't say that. But picked up this phone asking to record wise. Why I have not been picking the camera up to record? I'm tired. I'm tired, y'all. I have not got back on track since I left from down at my mom's house. I don't know what it is. I've been going to sleep late, like till 11 o'clock at night. I can't pinpoint what that is at all. Why I'm going to sleep so late. Today is Saturday. So I'm basically coming from work, obviously, as you all see. So that means I basically had to work this weekend. Thank God that my partner in crime picked up tomorrow, because I'd have had to work tomorrow if she didn't pick that up. So I do have one day off, but I'm tired. I'm tired with the house, home. I'm tired. I need a mental break from everything and everyone, because these little caps, hats that I wear, honey, they starting to suffocate me. So that's how I know when I need a break. Girl. Ooh. My hat goes off to you ones that stay home. I don't think I'll be able to do it. Because I'll be looking forward from this little moment here from work, going home for the little hour, to the point that when I get home, I still sit in the car. Because I be so tired, I be so drained. And then I'm trying to mentally get my mind together for to do whatever I need to do once I make a step foot into the house. So that was my little quick little intro rant. So if you're a new Queen or King stopping by to see what I got going on today, or stopping by for the first time, hello, my name is Valerie. Over here, honey, you'll get some little chronicle rants. All things home decor, family vlogs, self-care, hauls, which I have not done in a while. Some revamps and stuff like that, but most of all things, pretty much home decor is in a mix of it somewhere. So yeah, appreciate you for clicking on today's video. Into my old royalties, Queens and Kings. Appreciate y'all too. I'm just trying to get my spirit up, y'all, because I tell you, I am down, I am tired, I'm exhausted, I am everything. But I gotta get it up because I need to take the kids to the store. They wanna I thought for a minute he was gonna try to jump in front of me as fast as he hit the gas to turn. Pick up whatever they gonna go spend with their little hot little dollars. Cause Jasmine dying to go to the store, so I can't even go in the house when I get to the house. They want me to just pull up so they can jump on in, child. Take them where they need to go, then I'm gonna come back, show you guys pretty much what I have done to the bathroom. I don't know, y'all. I'm still exhausted. I don't even know why I'm so tired. Well, we know I ain't pregnant. We know that. We got that established months ago that these tubes been tied, baby. Ain't no more. Andre's the last seed for me, baby. 3 will do it. That'll do it for me. Woo, child. That will do it for me. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Take my hats off to you. Anybody that got more than me. Lord knew my patience. He created me. Listen, I better admit it myself. Shoot, I better admit it myself. Listen, them four at the house, and what I mean by four, I ain't talking about Willie. That's my oldest one. For the ones who know here, he's 20. He's not in the house, but so that means I miscounted it. See, girl, I'm so tired. I'm so tired. That means it's three. That means what I meant to say. 3 at the house, as including my husband and them 2 kids. They drive me up the damn wall. They drive me up the wall. But anyways, y'all, I'm gonna talk to y'all a little bit later because I can talk and talk, and I just feel like talking. Actually, I really feel like talking. I don't feel like doing nothing else. I'm so tired. But I'm gonna take these kids on to the store, child, and I can get on back to the house and do what I need to do. Cause bunch of nothing, really. So obviously in Walmart. They want to come in Walmart and all the places. Now look at it storming out there. Oh my God. Come on. Oh my goodness. It is storming. Out of all the days, she want to pick today to go to doggone Walmart. Then we had to do separate orders. Well, we did separate orders because of the simple fact I wasn't paying for everybody's stuff. I helped them out a little bit, but I wasn't paying for everything. Defrosted. All right. I got them waiting in the store, so I'm about to get ready to go back in there. But I got to get the car defrosted first so I can see. It's stormy. We done made it back, y'all. I'll show y'all what we got that's all wet all up because everything is soaking wet.
Right.
Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm show y'all real quick. Panty liners. So this most of the jam. So everybody basically went to the store, picked up some stuff that they needed. Most like me, I picked up stuff for the house that the house needed. So mine little extra coins gone. But she got some panty liners and dubs and that mouthwash, hair scrunchies, wipes. This is mine's. Dr. Tia, oh, shea butter. I mean, scrub. Almond R. Yeah. Her some lotion. This is mine. It said that those are the only pills that I can really take for anything. Tums for the gas skirt. Cause I wake up with full of it. I don't know what's been going on. I got the glass cleaner. You guys are telling me to get it. I tried this once before, but it did not. It was coming out real squeaky. Like it wasn't spraying properly. So I never did went back to it, but I'm trying it again because one of you guys told me to do it. Mr. Cleaner. This is for pretty much I'm going to use for the bathtub to clean it down real good. You know, try to get some of the stains or whatever. Washing powder. Some more toilet bowls refillers. Okay, hold on. So I got some bar peanuts, some pineapple chunks. Andre got some ABCs. He got some chips. He got some fruit roll-ups. Jasmine got some pork skins. I'm trying out this cheesecake here. I got some broccoli, which I got 4 of those. And this here TikTok made me do it, honey. This chicken salad here, the rotisserie seasoning one. Baby, get your life, get your life, get your life. This here, I promise you, you're gonna need it in your life. So try it out. And then I got some juice. Andre got some juice for himself, and Jasmine got some cranberry juice for herself. So that's pretty much it. What we got went to Walmart for. They had me to go there for a child, but.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
All right, queens and kings, so I just want to show you guys the bathroom, how it turned out, which I am loving it. I love it, but my husband don't want the brown in the room at all, so most likely I really will be putting the brown back in the front room. I wish he'd have told me that a little ahead of time, but hey, it is what it is. He want another color, so I'm just gonna change it up and everything like that. Ain't too much I'm gonna change besides the curtains. That's pretty much what all I'm gonna take down is the curtains. But I want to show you guys how it looks so far, because I actually am gonna add some more stuff. But this is how I'm looking now, and I really love how this brown look. Oh my god, I love the way this brown look in here. I took the little things down off the wall over there, but I'm gonna find something else to go there because I can't stand that noise that you hear right there, and then that little tacky little, what it is, vent or whatever. But yeah, so I just want to show you guys before I actually go to start adding the other stuff and changing the color up. But I really do love the way this brown and white and cream and pops of black look. It just looks so elegant, so refreshing, so luxe. It just look good. It really does. And then I put my little faux high rug down here on the floor. I purchased this from Ross a couple years back because I don't have like no actual bathroom rug, but it works for us. It worked for us, and it just guides into the closet there. So yeah, but I just want to show you guys before I do any more changes or anything like that to the bathroom. Most likely, like I said, it's just gonna be pretty much the brown coming out of here, and then I'm just gonna probably add the gray curtains back or just the pop of color. He don't want the brown in the room. I don't know why, but hey, it is what it is, because you know I was putting the purple in the front room, so obviously the brown going back in there. But yeah, this is how everything turned out, and like I said, I love it. I really do love how everything look. So yeah, because I want to do something with this area here. You know, I'm dying to change put the bulbs over that, but I have to find an adapter, so therefore they don't touch the light bulb, be hanging onto the light bulb. But it is what it is though. But I'm liking the changes so far that I have going on here. So, but the husband want me to change it. He don't want the brown, so brown is not gonna be in the bedroom or the bathroom for that matter.